Hey, how's it going, guys? So I just finished the operator helmet from Halo. I actually haven't seen anybody try one of these. Hopefully be one of the first ones to get this bad boy done. I just ordered a custom visor, and I have steel stick coming. Dremel tool, clean this up a bit. It did just finish printing today. Both halves took about 8 days, and yeah, it looks pretty clean, all things considered. Fill in all these cracks and holes with spot putty. It's gonna be a bit of a process, but I'm definitely excited. It looks pretty good, and I didn't measure it to fit my head. Perfect fit. I mean, it's great. I'm working on the rest of the suit right now. So I am here on Thingiverse, and this is the Halo Reach chest file I found. I mean, I'd been looking for chest files for a while and found this one, and I realized I wasn't going to be able to cut this down after I threw it in Mesh Mixer and started, messing around, cutting it up, trying to fill it in, because the guy who made it, it's actually hollow in between the layers. So I actually straight up messaged him, and I was like, hey, fan of the model. I told him I failed to split the object. Is there any way you could cut it down in multiple files? And not even a couple days later, he actually creates a chopped up version zip file for me to download. So I thank him and everything, tell him I'll send him pictures, and he's like, cool, yeah, send it. So I jumped on because I wanted to show you guys a bit of the differences here in what I actually printed out to what the helmet actually looks like. So if I go down to operator variants here, as you can see here, there's a bit more texture to the helmet, like actual indentations around the cheek and chin area that didn't make it onto the object file. It wasn't as detailed as this. A bunch of it I'll be able to paint in, but for the most part, most of this is way more detailed than I can actually see on the helmet. So the helmet's going to be a little bit more basic, but what I want to do is I actually found the files for it too. This headpiece here, and then this earpiece here that I found. As for the rest though, I'm pretty much going to try to follow most of this in particular. I'm either going to do like this, the HAZOP, maybe even these, but the operator shoulders don't look that bad, and I might end up doing those instead. I'm not sure yet, but I wanted to do a little bit of variability because Noble 6, it's you. You're supposed to be the Spartan, and I wanted to do a custom made suit. So I think I've just about covered everything. I will keep everybody updated on where I am as soon as I get a new piece finished printed and have it even sorted together, like the helmet here, and as I finish doing the helmet, as I started showing you guys what I do. As always, take care, take it easy, and I'll see you in the next video.